Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Siyabona ukuthi uLebohang Maboya abantu abaningi bayampraise bafethu bathi uperforme kahle kakhulu. I had my doubts maybe emsayina laphana ku-Chiefs ukuthi hayi, is it like past time yakhe akusase uLebohang Maboya lo esike sambona noma besimazi ku-Sundowns, even before i-Sundowns laphana kuma-Maritzburg United, ukuthi uzokwazi na ukusiza i-team nanokuthi uzokwazi ukuperforma to the best of his ability, because siyamazi ukuthi uhlakaniphile nanokuthi uyalazi ibhola. I had my questions but-ke izolo ungiprove wrong, noma ngithi udlalile nje igame yakhe, akekho umuntu bekumele amprove wrong or bamprove right. And bengiloke ngimlalela kuma-post match or pre-match interviews ekhuluma ukuthi kumele baplane kanjani, benze kanjani izinto. Usibonisile sonke bafethu ukuthi u-good kangakanani and then u-comfortable on the ball, uya-understand ukuthi ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs kuminani. Ngifuna nje ukumprofayila lo mdlali lona, ngibonise abantu ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala ama-position angakanani laphana inside the field of play. Ukwazi ukudlala ama-position awu-8, cabanga phakathi kwama-position awu-11 akhona laphana egrawundini, but yena ukwazi ukudlala kuma-position awu-8, cabanga. So i-position angakaze ayidlale i-left back ne-centre back, maybe nenye-ke engiyikhohlwayo, but-ke ama-position awadlalayo ukwazi ukudlala i-wing. Lo muntu lo, I think abantu bayakhohlwa ukuthi lo muntu lo uyi-wing. Ukwazi ukudlala i-wing, i-left wing, i-right wing, ukwazi ukuba i-attacking midfielder, uyakwazi ukuba i-central midfielder noma laphana i-number 6. Kusho ukuthi ithi ngiwabize ngey'namba because abantu bayawazi, abanye bazi ngey'namba. Ukwazi ukudlala i-6, ukwazi ukudlala i-8, ukwazi ukudlala i-10, ukwazi ukudlala kuma-winger wo-2, ukwazi ukudlala, bake bamzama even I think ku-Sundowns-ke la abamzama khona ku-right back quite a number of times, I think few times, angisakhumbuli ukuthi ku-Sundowns or kukuphi, but uke wadlala even nalapho. So umdlali o-versatile, like uyabona kufuneka abadlali abanje, noma ungathi iya ku-right back uzokwazi ukuyodlala, iya as a-striker uzokwazi ukuba comfortable, umbeka ku-wing uyakwazi ukuba comfortable. Ayi-workaholic bafowethu, umdlali one-experience kakhulu, but i-experience yakhe ayizanga nje just for the sake ukuthi bayamdlalisa, no, because of ukwazi ukudlala wonke la ma-position lawo. Bayingakhi abadlali abangadlala ama-position kaLebohang Maboya? Angibazi mina if bakhona. Okay, khona abadlali abanye abanayo i-versatility, because I'm thinking of one odlala ku-P_S_L engimaziyo, okhule ayi-defender, waba yi-striker, waba yi-midfielder, waba yi-winger, nayo everywhere. Abantu inkinga abazi, so siyamangala mesibona abadlali badlala ama-different positions, kanti hhayi, wakhula vele wadlala lama-position lawo, ukuthi ku-professional setup bami-introduce-a ku-certain position but uyakwazi ukudlala namanye ama-position. Unamagoli amaningi, uyawashaya amagoli bafethu ku-career yakhe, unamagoli more than 40 goals awashayile ku-career yakhe. So ama-assist, no, amagoli more than 30, just over 30 goals awashayile, and then ama-assist-ke close to 40 ama-assist awashayile. Even ku-CAF ngeke ngasho uma ngikhuluma nge-CAF Champions League ukuthi u-Sundowns udlala amagame awu-43 laphana ku-CAF Champions League. Uwine ama-cup, uwine izinto. Bafana Bafana bekhona, I think abantu bayakhohlwa, I even forget ukuthi lo muntu wayekuBafana Bafana. kuBafana Bafana ukora amagoli awu-3, udlala ama-matches awu-17. Uwine ama-league kawu-7. Hayi, awu-7, is it 7 or 6 ne-Sundowns? Alikho ikhaphu kahle kahle mangibheka la, ngoba i-Nedbank Cup uke wayiwina, Carling Knockout, ngathi i-M_T_N 8 angakaze ayiwine, yeah, ngathi i-M_T_N 8 kuphela, but cause amanye ngiyawabona, unless if ngenza iphutha uke wayiwina i-M_T_N 8 asazi, but yeah, amakhaphu nje ujwayele ukuwawina, ulethe experience enkulu. At just 31, obviously is at his peak manje, is more matured. Siyazi ukuthi i-Chiefs beyimfuna even before eza laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke before mana choose i-Sundowns that time, but-ke ugcine sefikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, le junior superstar yaku-Chiefs, uke wadlala ku-Chiefs, but-ke indlela yakhe yamhambisa bafethu because of ibhola and yiwo lama-moments lawa bafethu kumele uwahloniphe ukuthi uwa-cherish-e, I would say uwa-cherish-e, because of amthathe amisa le nale. Lo muntu lo ubuya kuMbombela United, National First Division, waya kuma-Maritzburg United, ku-Sundowns wadlala for some time, and then bamlona-ke last season waya ku-SuperSport United, la adlale khona amagame awu-15, waba ne-assist, negoli elilodwa nama-assist awu-2. After some time engadlali ku-Sundowns, but still wabonisa ukuthi u-good ngempela, yabo. So a player exciting, i-Kaizer Chiefs they are lucky to have him ukuba enye into bengenza ukuthi ngidawuthe ukuthi why would they sign uLebohang Maboya bafuthu, ngoJuni ubekasesibhedlela, under the ibizwani under the knife angithi under the knife e-theatre. Bengithi maybe they're signing umuntu o-wrong ozoba nama-injury crisis but no kusho ukuthi u-recoverile kule nto le yakhe bekayele laphana esibhedlela u-ready njengoba simbone edlala e-represent i-team and uyi-warrior yeah so it is what it is bafethu. Let's give him more opportunity. Let them give him more opportunities ukuthi edlale bafethu. And abona masibheka uzodlala obani okumele bamsupport because bengeke enze everything. Lo muntu uyakwazi ukumakha ukurecover ibhola asuke nalo central a-track forward ekushayele lawo ma-passes wakhe uyashaya nokushaya laphana epalini. Izinto abangazenzi laphana ku-Chiefs bafethu umdusha balala. Dusha balala angazi mina ukuthi ngibona ama-opportunities ayingakhi or ngimbona kangakho umdusha belashaya ibhola elisithusayo out of 18. So Lebo uMaboya uletha leyo nto leyo ukuthi uyakwazi ukushaya, uyakwazi ukuphasa, uyakwazi ukuba comfortable on the ball, uletha izinto eziningi but uzodlala nobani laphana esiswini abantu abazo-connect-a naye kahle. Nanokuthi uzodlala amagame awungakhi laphana ku-Chiefs ngoba u-coach obviously ba-unpredictable yabo. But yeah, what a player bafethu, well deserved ukuthi athole le opportunity. To be fair, yabo, hey, I was ready to criticize this thing ukuthi why would you play uLebohang Maboya bengakaze aqale negame eyodwa, but-ke I was proven wrong cause lento le kuthiwa uSibani akakadlali isikhathi eside but usejime ne-team for 4 months bathi akekho i-fitness inini, azikho zonke lezo zinto bafethu. I-player nje li-professional whenever is given an opportunity to play is able to perform, akunama-excuse. Le nto le abantu bebafuna ukuthi sithi uDupreez ugeje leya nto leya ngoba ugeje laphana eCongo because of uney'nkinga zakhe ukuthi ubabakhe kwasha kwacima, mayisebenzi yonke leyo nto le. Mawulazi uyalazi, mawu-ready, mawu-strong mentally and then when you are given an opportunity to play ukwazi ukuperform, akunama-excuse. But-ke abanye abadlali kumele kube nama-excuse which is sad bafethu. Umuntu uma engenzi umsebenzi wakhe uholela over 100,000 lo muntu lo just perform, akaphefomii and then sekuzoba nama-excuse. Ngiyabona kuprotect-thiwa ama-player amaningi, mina akekho umuntu engizomprotect ohola 200,000 bafethu, never ngiprotect umuntu ohola 200,000 ohluleka. And isikhathi esiningi lama-player lawa udlalela i-team enkulu, udlala against lesiya ama-team angakhoni nokuhola isikhathi esiningi but you can't perform. You can't. Uhlula abantu abahola 20,000 nohola 200,000. Ngiyazi ukuthi it's not about imali but ama-training facilities, i-environment yakho i-around e-right but uzohlulwa umuntu nje. Bafethu, hhayi. Yeah, Lebohang Maboya, what a player bafethu, what a superstar, what a player. Hhayi, njengoba ngibonile laphana kuthiwa class is permanent. Yeah, class is permanent ngempela. When you have it, you have it. When you don't have it. Lebohang Maboya unawo umlingo wakhe. Danko bafethu.